Hi guys, this is Amar and welcome to Amar Tech Stuff. So guys, in this video we are going to focus on a very interesting switching a troubleshooting ticket. And as you can see this diagram, in this diagram the PC and the laptop both are in VLAN 10, whereas the server is in VLAN 20. Switch 1 is a layer 3 switch, switch 2, switch 3, switch 4. These switches are layer 2 switches. VLAN 10 is having the subnet of 10.1.1.0/24, whereas VLAN 20 is having subnet of 10.1.2.0/24. And here the issue is that Vasant's PC is not able to ping this server IP. So Vasant is having this PC and it is having an IP address of 10.1.1.2/24, where his server's IP is 10.1.2.2/24. So we're not able to ping. I just checked, we were not able to ping from Vasant's PC. So I'll just take you to the Vasant's PC, and we were not able to ping the server IP address. So this is the issue. Now, while troubleshooting, we need to narrow down the scope of troubleshooting. Here we can see that the PC and the server, both of them are in different VLAN. So here inter-VLAN communication is going to happen, and inter-VLAN communication is going to be possible because of this switch 1, which is a layer 3 switch. Let me check over here on this PC first of all whether the IP address assignment and everything is done proper or not. Here you can see it is 10.1.1.2, which is fine, and the subnet mask is also /24, which is correct, and also the gateway is also correct. So let me ping the gateway and check whether it's able to reach the gateway, because the communication is going to happen through the gateway because it's an inter-VLAN communication. So you can see we are able to ping the gateway. That means the path from Vasant's PC to this particular switch 1 is okay. This path is okay. Now here we need to remember one thing, that server, we don't have access to this server. Okay, so we have access to switch 1. So let me take you on switch 1. So from switch 1, let me ping the server IP. Let me first of all show you pinging Vasant's IP 10.1.1.1.2. I'm able to ping. Now I'll ping the server IP. See guys, I'm not able to ping the server IP. So quickly what I'll do is I'll check the interface which is getting connected to switch 3. That is, that interface is fast Ethernet 0/2. Okay, that interface look good, that is okay. Then what we can check is the VLANs, because we have created the SVI over here. So this is the VLAN SVI 10, which is okay. This is up, it's fine. Let me check another SVI, VLAN 20. Okay, so this you can see here it is down. Now this SVI is down. A reason for that, this is a logical interface, but still you can say it is down. Its line protocol is down. There's no physical thing over here in this VLAN to get down. So the thing over this can be two things, that it is made administratively down, but I don't see anything which has made this administratively down. I'll just show you the configuration of this VLANs. You can see the configuration of this VLAN. Okay, and IP address is configured, which is correct, 10.1.2.1/24. That is correct. VLAN 10 is also configured with similar sort of stuff. So what's an issue? Okay, now the issue is that you can see here VLAN 10 is created, but VLAN 20 is not created. We have created an SVI interface of a VLAN 20, that is a layer 3 VLAN we have created, but we have not created a layer 2 VLAN for VLAN 20. So let me create one. Command is VLAN 20. That's it. Now you can see quickly, once I created layer 2 VLAN, the layer 3 VLAN, that is the SVI for VLAN 20, came up. Let us check it. Show interface VLAN 20. You can see now it is up. Now let me ping the server now from here 10.1.2.2. Still we are not able to ping. Okay, let me ping it again. Now I am able to ping it. It took some time, but now I am able to ping it. Let us check from the Vasant's PC now. Earlier we were not able to ping it. Right, we checked it here. We were not able to ping destination timeout. So now we are able to ping it. So guys, always remember that even if you create a layer 3 VLAN and SVI, you should have a layer 2 VLAN also created on the switch. So we saw that here on this switch. We saw that on the switch 1. The VLAN was not created, VLAN 20 was not created, SVI VLAN was created, layer 3 VLAN was created, but layer 2 VLAN was not created. That is the reason why we were not able to perform the ping from Vasant's PC to the server PC. Guys, for these notes, I have been writing these notes on my blog as well, so you can refer my blog, and you can find on my blog the stuff for this particular troubleshooting tickets also. You can find it over here. I'll be mentioning it, so you can find the I'll paste the link for this blog in the description section of this video, so that you can find this blog. So guys, please do visit this blog if you want the notes for this. If you want these notes, you can also mail me on my mail address amar.techstuff@gmail.com. I'll mail you the same thing. So guys, I'll see you in the next troubleshooting video. Till then, bye, take care, and have a nice day. Thank you.